Hello mga kids! I am your future educator, Teacher Antonette, and welcome to sepnayan.com. Mga kids, nahihirapan ba kayo sa mathematics? At marahil ang iba sa inyo ay laging binibigkas ang katagang, I hate numbers! Well, ganyan din ako mga bata. Pero huwag kayong mawawalan ng pag-asa. Mag-practice lang kayo palagi at sigurado akong gagaling at magiging madali lang sa inyo ang pagsasolve ng problem sa math. So kids, ang ating pag-aaralan ay sigurado kung kayang-kaya nyo agad maunawaan at maintindihan. Sa mga bata, alam ko handang-handa na kayo. So let's start! Alright kids, ang ating tatalakayin ngayon ay tungkol sa mathematical symbols into statement. O diba, title pa lang kids, alam kong simple lang ito para sa inyo. Ito ang aking treasure box. Nasa loob ng box na ito ang mga simbolo na kakailanganin natin sa ating pag-aaral. Ang mga simbolo na kukumpleto sa isang mathematical expression. Ang una ko ipapakita sa inyo ay mga pangunahing simbolo na ginagamit natin sa pang-araw-araw. Ang mga symbols na ito ay tatranslate natin into statement. Ang unang mathematical symbol ay plus, minus, multiplied by, divided by, is equal to, is not equals, is greater than, is less than, is greater than or equals, is less than or equals. Infinity is similar to, is congruent to, theta. Empty set. Integral, intersection of two sets, the union of two sets, is equivalent to, implies. Pi 3.14, square root of, for all, percent. Factorial, perpendicular, exist, sum of. Braces, brackets, parentheses, therefore. And this is line AB, ray AB, segment AB, right angle, angle, triangle, or delta. Ayan mga kids, ang mga simbolo na makikita natin at gagamitin natin sa pag-aaral sa matematika. Huwag kayong matatakot at iisipin na ang hirap naman. Atin lang itong unawain at isa puso. Mga kids, magbibigyan ko ng example para mas maunawaan natin ang paggamit ng mga symbols into statement. Tulad nito. 2 plus 2 is equals 4. We use the symbol plus para pagsamahin ang dalawang numbers. And then the equal sign. Then 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. And 2 times 2 equals 4. We use the symbol na multiplied by. Then 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. Using the symbols divided by. 4 is greater than 2. Using the symbols. And then 4 is less than 6. X is less than or equals to 2. Depende kung anong given ang ilalagay natin sa x. And then 2 is greater than or equal to y. X is not equal to y. AB is equivalent to BA. A implies B. At kung may given tayo, example ng A is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, and B is equals to 4, 5, 6. Tapos ang hahanapin natin is the union of A and B. So ang mangyayari niyan is pagsasamahin lang natin ang elements na meron sa A and B. So, ang answer niyan is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Andito naman, sa intersection naman, kung ang may given, ang A, may element na 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and ang B is 3, 6, 9, 10. So, yung intersection lang na meron sa A and B ang magiging sagot. So, the A intersection B is equals to 6 and 9. Then, the square root of 4 is 2. We use the symbol square root of. And then, P implies Q, and P, therefore, Q. We use the symbol implies and therefore. Sa mga bata, nalaman na natin ang iba't ibang symbols na pwedeng i-translate into statements. Tinan ko nga kung may mga natandaan kayo. So, kukunin ko ng aking treasure box. Kuha ko dito ng mga simbolo at titinan ko nga kung may natandaan kayo. So, kids, anong symbols ito? It's less than. Very good. How about this one? It's greater than. Alright. Ito? It's not equal to. Minus sign. The equal sign. The divided by sign. Multiplied by. The plus sign. The implies sign is equivalent to, is less than or equal to. Is greater than or equal to. Similar to. For or. Galing mga bata. Pi 3.14. The infinity sign. The null set and the theta. Very good, kids! Sabi ko na nga ba at madali nyo itong matututunan. Kaya mga bata, huwag kayo matatakot magkamali at sumubok magsagot sa lahat ng problem sa mathematics. Tandaan, sa bawat pagkakamali natin, doon tayo matututo. Hanggang sa muli mga bata, your future educator is signing off. Bye!
Magandang araw mga kasipnayan. Ako nga pala si Ate Lisa at ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano mag-translate ng mathematical statement into symbols. Pero bago tayo dumako sa process ng pag-translate, una muna natin gawin ay i-define kung ano ang mathematical statement at saka kung ano ang mathematical symbols. Pag sinabi natin mathematical statement, it is a meaningful composition of words which can be considered either true or false. In simpler words, ang mathematical statement, ito yung mathematical problem na nakasulat siya into words rather than in numbers. So, ang example niya ay a number plus 4 is equal to 8. So as you can see, we use words in this mathematical problems. So pag naman sinabi natin mathematical symbol, ito na yung gumagamit tayo ng mathematical symbol katulad ng plus, minus, times, divide, at 1. So, ayan. Ito pag sinabi natin mathematical symbol. So, pag translate natin ito into mathematical symbol, ang kalalabasan niya ay n plus 4 is equals to 8. So, yan. So, ngayon na alam na natin kung ano ang mathematical statement at kung ano ang mathematical symbol, maaari na tayong dumako sa proseso kung paano mo ba translate ang isang mathematical statements into symbols. Now, in translating mathematical statements into symbols, we don't just use addition. We also use subtraction, multiplication, and division. In using these operations, we use different words. And I'm going to show you a table that consists of these words that we use in mathematical statements that corresponds in different operations. Like, for example, in addition, we use plus, the sum of, increased by, total, more than, and added to. So for subtraction, we use minus, the difference of, decreased by, lower than, less than, and subtracted from. For multiplication, we use times, the product of, multiplied by, and of. And lastly, for division, we use divided by, the quotient of, and per. So these are the words that we commonly use in a mathematical statement. So next, I'm going to give you an example regarding these operations. I already gave you an example of addition, so let's start with subtraction. So, example, 6 less from a number resulting to 7. How can we translate this into symbols? So, when we say less, that means minus. But when we say from, then that means ang mauuna yung number. So, ang mangyayari niya, naging n minus 6. And when we say resulting to, that means equals. So, equals 7. So, yan siya in a mathematical symbols. So, next is multiplication. In multiplication, our example is 2 times 8 is equals to 16. So, when we translate this into symbols, times, as you know, is multiplication. So, 2 times 8 is equal to 16. So, this is the mathematical symbol for this mathematical statement. So, for the division, our example is the quotient of 6 and 3 is 2. So, the quotient of division, 6 and 3, 6, 3. And when you say is, this also means equal and 2. So, 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. So, this is the mathematical symbol for this mathematical statement. So, ayun. Salamat sa panonood. Sana may natutunan kayo. And I will leave you these mathematical statements for you to translate in symbols. Bye-bye!